was gonna happen sooner. God. Dude, I tried to like breathe it through with my mouth instead of like slurp. And I breathed in so like much that it went into my sinuses. So it went my nose the back end way, not the front end. And God, I can feel it in my nose. Oh, it's wet.
That's how you know it was a good one.
Dude, what was it, like 2 months ago when I actually snorted Coca-Cola, and then and I snorted it too much the entire day, the entire thing. 2 days, my nose just felt wet, and all I could feel was mucus just burning away.
That's gross.
That's how you know how questionable Coke is, when the mucus in your nose just disintegrates. Oh man, just that phrase. You know that Coke is. You know that's how damaging Coca-Cola is when it burns the mucus in your nose.
Life lessons.
That's a thinker
with
too.
Nathan Hansen.
I'm just more to catch a retard, and I'm. Oh man. Oh, and I'm the retard I caught.
Oh, long.
Okay, let's try and snort this bad boy.
Maybe.
Oh crap, I didn't look. Ooh.
Yeah.
Dang, it is going right in the middle. Oh my god! Ow! Oh! Yeah, let's go there.
That was like weird Marge.
It's worse than my parents are taking a nap and I go, oh, he's retarded again.
Again?
Yeah. My retardation after a while wears off for like 2 minutes and then it's back.
Not even that.
Maybe 2 seconds.
What is it just with you making weird noises? I don't get it.
I don't know. I'm an intelligible being.
I'm an intellectual. God, this is the Coke went my nose the wrong way this time. God. There we are. Back. Ow. It said you did. Crap. Maybe I did. Yeah, it says you're offline. Why?
Lego Star Wars style. Like, I mean, just. I taste the biscuit. I taste the biscuit. It tells me now that there's just a update that has to go on.
Wow.
Oh, excuse me.
Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Yeah, you kicked their ass. You're up, soldier. Sort this fucker out.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Time to earn
No.
your freedom, soldier.
God. My only hope is to be able to get to the drop in time. I'm like going suicidal here. There's no other way I'm gonna play this game. I'm gonna get this, and
Got it.
To the front line. You lose your fight is over.
AX-50.
You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out.
holy,
So
we
much
both
is-
suck. But a guy kept distracting by throwing crap at me.
Turn to the front line.
Frick.
You lose your fight is over.
He's definitely camping you, so I'd watch that.
Go sort this
Freaking grenade.
You gave him a
Nah, he gone. He was there, and now he gone.
No.
Nice. What the? What?
I didn't see that. What was the dosage? I just see you go. Oh, dude! I look up and I just see the helicopter having a seizure. It looked like the body was spinning and not the freaking blades.
No. It was like God just like took hold of the propellers, but the helicopter was still on.
Right there. Say, I don't know what's different about it, but it's.
I don't know either.
Oh no!
Sniper.
What?
I like just
hit.
on. Yep. This. I don't know why they're there.
Oh crap!
I'll stop the bleeding.
Are they dead?
No.
Hello there.
They're below us. They're below us.
Frick is that guy trying to do?
Zone's about to kill us. Zone's about to kill us.
I can't do anything. I'm getting shot at anyway.
Yeah, he was gonna get me.